800 feet above the water, the pilot and his radar intercept officer approach the destroyer at 760 miles per hour. As the jet nears the sound barrier, it produces a vapor cone. Then, just a few miles per hour short of breaking the sound barrier, the $36 million plane explodes into a fireball. This video image suffers from transmitter interference from the ship's electronics. It offers another angle on the explosion.
F14 is out for crash. Two parachutes! Two parachutes!
Seconds later, the chutes of the pilot and the radar intercept officer are spotted descending. But the ship's crew doesn't know if the men survived the bailout.
I just hope they're all right.
A rescue team is sent to locate them. A flare signals that at least one survived. When the rescue boat finally reaches the airmen, both are found to be alive. Amazingly, they were able to manually eject at over 750 miles per hour as the jet disintegrates around them. Both suffer first and second degree burns to their hands and faces. Investigators believe the aircraft's afterburners ignited an oil leak, causing the explosion. The pilot and the radar intercept officer recover from their injuries and return to flying.